3 o'clock in the morning. I got my nigga chained the bag. He passed out and all that. You know where I am. Yeah. Okay.
Less. Better than the rest.
3 o'clock in the morning. Shout out my nigga Trey, get the knock going. This ain't my dick, baby girl, it's my pistol that be showing. I'm a wolf in your top, I'ma blow it. I get this money, but I never show it. That's how real niggas move, in case you didn't know this. Better watch our little nigga enemies patrolling. Sometimes it's too much and I can't control it. This life shit got me feeling hopeless, so I hope less and do more. KLS killer niggas, we should live in more. Always wanted keys, but not the kind that open doors, When they took that little nigga Sonny, it was all war. It just comes to show you can't trust your own family. So I say you learn by the people that surrounded me. You can't amount to me. My lifestyle was live lavishly, I'm living fast, ain't no one passing me. You a goofy ass nigga, your bitch laugh with me. Don't get upset, this isn't how it has to be. Step your game up, lil nigga, be a G. I'm a P and I'm a Mac, it just happened naturally. I'm off too many drugs, I can't see. But don't trip, my vision's never blurry.
Yeah.
Bitch ass niggas.